Hey there everyone, and welcome to today's video all about SEO for video and multimedia content. In today's world, video and multimedia content are becoming increasingly important for businesses and individuals alike. With platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and Instagram, it's easier than ever to create and share video content with a wide audience. But how do you make sure that your videos are reaching the right people? That's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your content so that it appears higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This can be done through a variety of techniques, such as keyword research, backlinking, and metadata optimization. But how does this apply to video and multimedia content? First and foremost, it's important to do your keyword research. What words or phrases do people search for when they're looking for content like yours? Make sure to incorporate those keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help search engines like Google and YouTube understand what your video is about and make it more likely to appear in relevant searches. Another important factor to consider is backlinking. Backlinking refers to the practice of linking to your video from other websites. This can help increase your video's visibility and authority in the eyes of search engines. Try to reach out to other websites or influencers in your industry and see if they'd be willing to share your video with their audience. Metadata optimization is also key when it comes to SEO for video and multimedia content. Make sure to fill out all relevant metadata fields, such as title, description, and tags. This will not only help with search engine optimization but will also make it easier for viewers to find and understand your content. In addition to these techniques, there are a few other things you can do to improve the SEO of your video and multimedia content. First, make sure that your video is of high quality and engaging. The longer viewers stay on your video and engage with it, the better it will perform in search engine rankings. You should also consider creating a transcript of your video and posting it on your website. This can help increase the accessibility of your content, as well as provide additional text for search engines to crawl and index. Finally, consider promoting your video on social media and other platforms. The more views and engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to appear in search engine results. So there you have it, some tips and techniques for optimizing your video and multimedia content for search engines. By incorporating these strategies into your content creation process, you can help ensure that your videos are reaching the right audience and getting the attention they deserve. Now, let's dive into some additional information about SEO for video and multimedia content. One important aspect of SEO for video and multimedia content that is often overlooked is the importance of video sitemaps. A video sitemap is an XML file that provides search engines with information about the videos on your website, including title, description, duration, and thumbnail URL. By submitting a video sitemap to search engines, you can help ensure that your videos are properly indexed and appear in relevant search results. Another key consideration when it comes to SEO for video and multimedia content is the importance of user engagement. As we mentioned earlier, the longer viewers stay on your video and engage with it, the better it will perform in search engine rankings. But how do you encourage user engagement? One effective strategy is to incorporate interactive elements into your video, such as quizzes, polls, or calls to action. This can help keep viewers engaged and interested in your content, as well as provide valuable data about your audience. Another important factor to consider when it comes to SEO for video and multimedia content is the importance of video optimization for mobile devices. With more and more people accessing content on their mobile devices, it's essential that your videos are optimized for mobile viewing. To optimize your videos for mobile, make sure to keep them short and to the point. Mobile viewers have shorter attention spans, so it's important to capture their attention quickly and get your message across in a concise manner. You should also make sure that your videos are responsive and can be viewed on a variety of different devices and screen sizes. In addition to optimizing your videos for mobile, it's also important to consider the impact of social media on SEO for video and multimedia content. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can play a significant role in driving traffic to your videos and improving your search engine rankings. To take advantage of social media for SEO, make sure to share your videos on your social media accounts and encourage your followers to engage with and share your content. You can also use social media to connect with influencers and thought leaders in your industry, who can help promote your videos to a wider audience. Another important consideration when it comes to SEO for video and multimedia content is the impact of video hosting platforms on search engine rankings. While platforms like YouTube and Vimeo can be great for hosting and sharing your videos, they can also have an impact on your search engine rankings. To ensure that your videos are performing well in search engine rankings, it's important to choose the right hosting platform for your content. Make sure to choose a platform that is optimized for SEO and provides you with the tools and features you need to optimize your videos for search engines. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that SEO for video and multimedia content is an ongoing process. To continue improving your search engine rankings and driving traffic to your videos, you should regularly update and optimize your content, monitor your analytics, and stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in video SEO. So there you have it, some additional tips and techniques for optimizing your video and multimedia content for search engines. By following these strategies and staying committed to the process of SEO, you can help ensure that your videos are reaching the right audience and getting the attention they deserve. When it comes to SEO for video and multimedia content, it's also important to consider the role of keywords and tags. Keywords and tags are essential for helping search engines understand what your video is about and determining how it should be ranked in search results. To effectively use keywords and tags in your video SEO strategy, start by conducting thorough keyword research. Look for keywords and phrases that are relevant to your video content and have a high search volume. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to help with this research. Once you've identified your target keywords, make sure to include them in your video title, description, and tags. But be careful not to overdo it. Keyword stuffing can actually hurt your SEO rankings. Instead, focus on using your keywords in a natural and organic way that accurately reflects the content of your video. Another important aspect of SEO for video and multimedia content is the quality of your video content itself. While optimization is important, ultimately the quality of your video will determine whether or not viewers engage with it and share it with others. To create high-quality video content that performs well in search engine rankings, focus on creating engaging and informative content that provides value to your audience. Make sure to choose topics that are relevant and interesting to your target audience and use visuals and other multimedia elements to enhance the overall viewing experience. In addition to creating high-quality content, it's also important to promote your videos through a variety of channels. This can include email marketing, social media, influencer outreach, and paid advertising. By promoting your videos through multiple channels, you can increase the visibility of your content and drive more traffic to your website. And as your traffic and engagement levels increase, so will your search engine rankings. Finally, it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in video SEO. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing, and what works today may not work tomorrow. To stay ahead of the curve, make sure to stay informed about the latest developments in SEO and video marketing. Attend industry events and conferences, read industry blogs and publications, and network with other professionals in your field to stay on top of the latest trends and best practices. In conclusion, SEO for video and multimedia content is a complex and ever-changing field. But by following these tips and strategies, you can help ensure that your videos are optimized for search engines and reach the right audience. Remember to focus on creating high-quality content, using keywords and tags effectively, promoting your videos through multiple channels, and staying up to date on the latest trends and best practices in video SEO. Another important aspect of SEO for video and multimedia content is the use of closed captions and transcripts. Closed captions provide a text-based version of the audio content in your video, while transcripts provide a written record of the entire video content. Adding closed captions and transcripts to your videos can help improve your SEO rankings in a few different ways. First, it can make your video content more accessible to viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. This can increase the overall engagement and viewership of your videos. In addition, closed captions and transcripts can also improve the visibility of your video content in search engine results. Search engines like Google can crawl and index the text in your captions and transcripts, which can help them better understand the content of your video and improve its relevance in search results. To add closed captions and transcripts to your videos, there are a few different options. You can use a transcription service to create a written record of your video content, or you can use software tools like YouTube's automatic captioning feature to create closed captions for your videos. It's important to note that while automatic captioning can be a convenient option, it's not always accurate. To ensure the highest quality captions and transcripts, it's best to use a professional transcription service or to manually review and edit the captions and transcripts generated by automatic tools. Another important factor to consider when optimizing your video content for SEO is the user experience. The user experience encompasses a variety of different factors, including the loading speed of your videos, the overall design and layout of your video content, and the ease of navigation and engagement for viewers. To optimize the user experience of your video content, start by focusing on the loading speed of your videos. Slow loading videos can lead to a high bounce rate and reduced engagement, which can hurt your SEO rankings. Make sure to optimize your videos for fast loading times and consider using a content delivery network, CDN, to improve the speed and performance of your videos. In addition to loading speed, the overall design and layout of your video content can also impact the user experience. Make sure to use an engaging and visually appealing design for your videos, and consider using multimedia elements like images, graphics, and animations to enhance the overall viewing experience. Finally, the ease of navigation and engagement for viewers is also important for SEO. To make sure to include clear calls to action in your videos, such as prompts to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. You can also use interactive elements like quizzes, polls, and surveys to engage viewers and encourage them to spend more time on your site. In conclusion, SEO for video and multimedia content is a multifaceted process that involves optimizing your videos for mobile, using keywords and tags effectively, creating high-quality content, promoting your videos through multiple channels, adding closed captions and transcripts, optimizing the user experience, and staying up to date on the latest trends and best practices. By following these strategies and remaining committed to the process of SEO, you can help ensure that your videos are reaching the right audience and getting the attention they deserve. One important aspect to consider when optimizing your video content for SEO is social media promotion. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn can be valuable tools for promoting your videos and reaching a wider audience. When promoting your videos on social media, make sure to optimize your posts with relevant hashtags and keywords to help them reach the right audience. You can also use social media ads to target specific demographics and increase the visibility of your videos. In addition to social media promotion, backlinks are another important factor to consider when it comes to SEO for video and multimedia content. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your video content, and they can have a significant impact on your SEO rankings. To increase the number of backlinks to your video content, consider reaching out to other websites in your industry and asking them to feature your videos on their site. You can also participate in guest blogging and link building campaigns to help increase the visibility of your videos and improve your SEO rankings. Finally, it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in SEO for video and multimedia content. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, new strategies and techniques are constantly emerging, and it's important to remain adaptable and responsive to these changes. One trend that is currently gaining momentum in the world of SEO for video and multimedia content is the use of virtual and augmented reality. These technologies can help create immersive and engaging experiences for viewers, and they are expected to play a significant role in the future of video content. Another trend to watch for is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve the quality and relevance of video content. AI and machine learning can help automate the process of video editing, optimize content for different platforms, and personalize content to better suit individual viewers. In conclusion, SEO for video and multimedia content is a complex and dynamic process that requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing monitoring. By following the strategies and techniques outlined in this article, and remaining responsive to the latest trends and best practices in the industry, you can help ensure that your video content is reaching the right audience and driving the results you need. One important factor to consider when optimizing your video content for SEO is the format of your videos. Different formats can have a significant impact on how well your videos perform in search rankings, so it's important to choose the right format for your content. For example, video formats that are optimized for mobile devices, such as vertical videos, tend to perform better in search rankings than videos that are not optimized for mobile. This is because more and more people are accessing video content on their mobile devices, and search engines are prioritizing mobile-friendly content. Another important factor to consider is the length of your videos. In general, shorter videos tend to perform better in search rankings than longer videos. This is because shorter videos are more likely to be viewed in their entirety, which sends a positive signal to search engines that your content is engaging and valuable. When it comes to optimizing your video content for SEO, it's also important to pay attention to the quality of your videos. Videos that are poorly produced or have low production values are unlikely to perform well in search rankings, as viewers are more likely to click away from them. To ensure that your videos are of high quality, consider investing in professional equipment and software, and make sure to follow best practices for filming, lighting, and sound. You should also consider hiring a professional video editor to help you produce videos that are polished and engaging. In addition to optimizing your video content itself, it's also important to optimize the metadata associated with your videos. This includes the title, description, and tags associated with your videos, as well as the file name and thumbnail image. When creating titles and descriptions for your videos, make sure to use relevant keywords that accurately describe the content of your videos. You should also use tags to help categorize your videos and make them easier to find in search results. When it comes to landing pages and websites, make sure to use responsive design and fast loading times to ensure that your videos can be easily accessed and viewed on a variety of devices. You should also optimize your landing pages and websites for SEO by using relevant keywords, optimizing meta tags, and creating high-quality content that is optimized for search. Finally, it's important to remember that SEO for video and multimedia content is an ongoing process that requires regular updates and monitoring. As new technologies and trends emerge, it's important to remain adaptable and responsive to these changes and to continually seek out new opportunities for optimizing your video content for better search performance. In conclusion, SEO for video and multimedia content is a multifaceted process that requires careful attention to detail and ongoing monitoring. By incorporating closed captions and transcripts, optimizing the context of your video content, and staying up to date on the latest trends and best practices in the industry, you can help ensure that your video content is reaching the right audience and driving the results.